What's up, everybody? I have a nice little choice Delmonico steak here, a ribeye, boneless. And what I'm going to do before I cook it in the Finex carbon steel pan, I'm going to dry brine it with a little bit of black garlic and sea salt. And that's going to help intensify the flavors, add some earthiness, and it'll help create a nice crust once it cooks. So just sprinkle liberally the black garlic. And then the sea salt, pat it down, get both sides. And I'm probably going to leave this in the fridge for 1 or 2 days, maybe 2 days. And it will definitely intensify the flavors. You could see how the dry brining process really tightened up this steak. We're going to get some oil in a pan and get it hot. Put the steak in. I usually cook my steaks on medium heat because I like to get a golden brown, even crust on both sides. You could cook this and rip this on high heat and get a nice thick toasty char on it, but I like a golden brown, and so that's why I'm moving the steak around constantly. I'm going to lower the heat. I'm going to flip and move constantly. Now I know this is contrary to what you hear a lot of times, especially when cooking with cast iron. People tell you to just stick it in the pan and leave it and let it go and not move it. But when you cook on medium heat and low heat, it's the opposite. And what this does is allows you to get a wire-to-wire cook temp that's pink and even the whole way through, instead of getting gray banding where it's overcooked on the edges. The constant motion allows you to get a completely even sear on all sides. All the nooks and crannies filled with that nice, delicious Maillard crust. I'm occasionally checking the temperature. When it gets to about 115, 120, 125 in that area, I'm going to pull it off. Still a little low. There you can see that nice golden brown crust forming. Time to pull it off. Hopefully I didn't overshoot it with the temp, but look at that. That is gorgeous. We're going to let it rest here for a minute and then slice it up. I'm going to plate it right back in the pan. So I'm going to wipe that out, clean it up a little bit. Slice it up. Okay, moment of truth. Woo! We got nice pink. Now that is beautiful. Got a little bit of gray banding, but I'm happy with this. Cook temp is perfect for me. Nice medium rare medium. All that fat rendered out. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna finish this with a little drizzle of Graza extra virgin olive oil. And of course, some fresh cracked black pepper. Let's take that first bite, see how it is. Delicious. That's so good. Let me try the cap over here. Oh, super tender. Wow. So that's it. Nice and easy steak cooking on the Finex carbon steel pan. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.